How much is a gold bullion bar worth? In uncertain times, gold bullion bars offer a safe investment. But how much is a gold bullion bar worth? Let's break it down simply. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Market conditions. Gold prices fluctuate based on supply, demand, economic stability, and geopolitical events. When inflation rises, so does the demand for gold, pushing prices higher. Weight and purity. Gold bars come in various weights like 1 ounce, 10 ounce, and 1 kilogram, with most bars being 99.99% pure. Heavier and purer bars are more valuable. Pricing mechanisms. The value of a gold bar changes throughout the day, based on the current gold price plus a dealer's premium. Reputable mints may command higher premiums due to quality assurance. How to calculate value. Use the formula, value is weight, in troy ounces, times current gold price plus premiums minus discounts. For example, if the current gold price is $1,900 per ounce and you possess a 1 kilogram gold bar, approximately 32.15 ounces, the base value would be 32.15 times 1900 is $61,085. Adding any premiums or subtracting discounts would yield the final valuation. Factors affecting value. Economic factors like inflation and currency rates. Market sentiment and speculation. Physical attributes and craftsmanship of the bar. Location-related costs, including taxes and shipping. Understanding these elements helps investors make informed choices when considering gold bullion. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.